Hey, it's John with JohnLagoria.com, bringing you tips and tools for outdoor adventure. On today's episode, we've got the Get Out Gear Cozy Camo Camping Blanket. That's a hard one to say. This is the gray camo color. It also comes in blue camo and green camo. Has a nice stuff sack. You'll notice it's quite small. This thing weighs 17 ounces, and this is the down version. They also make a synthetic version. And if you've been to my channel before, you'll know that I have reviewed the Get Out Gear camping blankets quite a bit. I've got like 3 or 4 videos on this channel, so check those out. And you can also use the links down in the description below to check these out online. So let me just unbuckle this for you. It does have that cinched top, which is really nice on this stuff sack. It's the gray camo on the outside, black on the inside. It does have some included loops too that you can use, the included carabiners, to use as a ground cloth. You can also use these when hammock camping as well. A lot of different ways you can use this blanket. Camping, car camping, backpacking, you name it. I even use these to sleep in at home. They're just awesome as a comforter, really. Great for an afternoon nap in the easy chair as well on the weekends. And they do have some included snaps as well that you can put around your neck. You can wear this as a poncho around your neck and snap this in the front. So very convenient and easy to use. But one thing I will mention is that the warmth to weight ratio on this blanket is fantastic. Order one for yourself and maybe for your loved one. You will not be disappointed. Thanks for joining me today, and if you've gotten some value from this quick unpacking, just hit that subscribe button down below and also check out those review videos. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.